Zdravo! Hello! Today we will talk about locative case, and it is a case, as its name says, of location. For example, if I say ja sam u Srbiji ili živim u Kanadi, živim u Beogradu, ja sam u Novom Sadu, in that context we will use locative. We'll use locative with the static verbs like živeti ili biti with verb to live or to be. And we have the other case that we will use with the verbs of motion like verb putovati, ići, to travel, to go, etc. And we'll talk about that in any other context or any other lesson, or you can ask your teacher if you want. So, now let's give the examples. What is the difference between Serbia and Beograd? Yes, that's correct. Serbia is a feminine noun and Beograd is a masculine noun. Because of that, we have the ending for Serbia. Ja živim u Srbiji, ja živim u Kanadi, u Australiji. But for masculine nouns, we have u. Ja živim u Beogradu. Ja sam u Parizu. Ja sam u Londonu. Okay? And the neutral form would be the same, basically, like živim na lepom mestu. I live in a beautiful place. Now, if we talk about plural, we will have, for example, bio sam u lepim gradovima. I was in beautiful cities. Lepim gradovima. But if we want to talk about kafana, we can say bila sam u dobrim, the same ending, im, dobrim, kafanama, u dobrim kafanama. So feminine noun in comparison to masculine noun would have i. No, a feminine noun would have a and the masculine noun would have i. So gradovima, kafanama. Okay? Super. Now to go back to this, what would you say where the Peking, Beijing is? Da li je Peking u Aziji, u Africi ili u Europi? Okay, leave the answer in the comments below, of course. So Africa, as you can see, I said u Africi. The same thing would happen with America, u Americi. We'll have their sound alternation, so it would be good if you just write that down. If you're from Africa, America, wherever, just say ja sam u Africi in locative, živim u Americi. What will happen with North and South America? That would be živim u Severnoj Americi. In that context, severna, like north, will behave as an adjective. U Severnoj Americi. And then we have u Južnoj Americi, South America. While I'm talking about adjectives, we have exceptions. Exceptions, I love them. So I suppose that like some of you would live maybe in Poland, England, Germany, wherever. We will say živim u Engleskoj, živim u Francuskoj, živim u Turskoj, živim u Poljskoj, živim u Nemačkoj. So if you are from those countries, just like remember this as an example, and you will, if you practice more, you will see that this is just like an adjective. Follow us for more, subscribe to this channel, and I hope that you liked this video. If you did, write in comments your thoughts, whatever, and vidimo se na sljedećem videu. Ćao!